Ada.
Cataract. Cataract.
And how long has she been blind for?
6 years.
6 years. So 6 years she hasn't been able to see the paradise in which she lives here.
In 1991, John Fawcett sought financial backing to pioneer an eye surgery program to restore sight to cataract-blind people in Bali.
You tell them that that is cataract and that's fixable. And 100% gratis. And we're sitting here in a field and a person walks by with a cataract. I find that just astounding, really, that there's so much of it. There's 32,000 people on this island that are poor and can't afford their cataract operation.
A number of mobile clinics enable the foundation to reach poor and remote areas in Bali and Indonesia. At present, there are only 800 ophthalmologists in Indonesia for 230 million people.
Our blindness rate is maybe the highest in the world, 1.5%.
And actually what we really want is 2,000 ophthalmologists tomorrow.
John's project gets it out to them where it needs to be, and that's the main thing, that you get out to the more rural, remote areas, seeing them out there in their homes, giving them the surgery, leaving them there with their families, and giving them good surgery. So it's great.
Okay, this is just an illustration of the number of patients that one mobile clinic does in 1 month. This was January of 2007 in our North Bali clinic, and there's 127 people there that have had sight restoring operations.
It's a cloudiness of the eye. It's like you've got a pane of glass in front of you, which has got some dirt on it, some mud on it, and it just keeps getting dirtier and dirtier. And the cataract operation essentially just wipes that away and cleans it. And what we have to do is remove that opaque part, or that dirty part in the eye, and we reinsert a clear plastic lens in front of it, and lo and behold, the patient can see again.
Cataracts are caused by the 6 Ds.
There's a dad and mum, genetic, there's damage, trauma, there's diet, there's daylight, there's dehydration, and there's diabetes. The advantage of the bus is that you can just go anywhere that there's a road, and from the ends of the roads they're prepared to walk 2 or 3 hours.
Usually we do until 10 patients, but maximum we can do for 15 patients a day, yeah, in 1 bed, and very quick, maybe the average 20 minutes.
And the other thing about it is that it's cheap to run. Like you take that North Bali clinic, runs for a whole year with the full staff for 130,000. Now, they're doing more cataracts surgery than the hospital.
On day 1, we do screening, and all the patient will have a checking. After that, we will send them to the doctor and for another complete check.
Cataracts are found, glasses are issued, eye drops are given if there's an infection in any of the eyes.
One day screening with our team, complete team, we can do 500 people.
Then on the second day, we have a list of surgeries to do, and they are performed in the mobile clinic, and then they go home that night.
Day 3, we will do the follow-up. The first day for the new site.
And to give the post-operative medicines and things like that.
After the post-op, the patient can go home again, and they can see after that.
So in this year, we have screened just over 53,000 people in villages like this, and we've screened 5,500 children. We find children in the schools that are considered to be low achievers, and the reason is they can't even see the blackboard.
There is much pride in the way that the foundation manages its incoming funds and how it monitors the movement of donations through the system.
We've been in Indonesia for so many years. We've always wanted to give back directly to Indonesia and know that the money gets to the Indonesians, and John's been great about that. He gives me data on exactly where the money goes at all times, whether it's the hospital or if it's directly to a person.
This is 1991 when we started. The point about this is that that's all the cataract operations that we've done. And in here we've got somewhere over 24,000 people. New starts at life anyhow. Isn't that fantastic?
The Foundation's challenging agenda is presided over by an Australian board of directors made up of leading business people, and its nerve centre is in Sanur, Bali.
This is our accounting unit, and G'day is our IT manager. Dave is our medical technician. Sukajara is our senior projects manager. Helmi is our in-house designer, and this is Lanos and Madika, who are our education assistance team.
For every $1 donated to the Foundation, $4 is spent on the cause. Sponsors provide lenses and medical supplies. Eye doctors volunteer their time, and this effectively quadruples the value of any cash donation.
The main aim was to get the Balinese staff fully trained, doctors and nurses, and the bus in slick working order. We started off in John's backyard doing cataracts there before they rolled out into the villages. So that was the job.
The task ahead is formidable. The number of blind in Indonesia is forecast to double to a staggering 8 million by the year 2020.
We understand also. They are blind because they are poor. They are poor because they are blind.
Well, if we could get more programs, more mobile clinics, we could get this number in a very short space of time.
The Foundation is in desperate need of funds to implement mobile clinic programs in areas of acute poverty throughout Indonesia.
You all right? John's here. You all right? Hey, come on. You okay? Come and sit down. Yeah, that's good. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Really lovely. Seeing good with this one? Good, bagus?
After we took out the pads, yeah, how the expressions, sometimes not like, wow, like that, amazing like that, but smile. But not only smile in the lips, but smile in the eye. Ini tinggalin the bos, ya. Bang tinggalin, ini kekedat apa tuh? Jaliu, jaliu.
That's a big one.
Oke, siap ya. Nggak, mudah-mudahan bisa nyengain, karena sebelum kita tentain nyengain.
That's looking at Ibu for the first time.